Blowing in the Wind, key of D. How many roads must a man walk down before they call him a man? How many seas must the white dove sail before she sleeps in the sand? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. So this song, we're going to play it in the key of D. So you'll need to use a D chord, a G chord, and an A chord. So this song is in the key of D, and so we're going to be using a D chord, playing the bottom four strings, fingers, first finger, third string, second fret. Shit. Okay. I'm going to use D chord, and we got the modified D chord for you. So you got your little finger on the second string, third fret. Your first finger is on the third string, second fret, and your second finger is on the first string, second fret. Play the bottom four strings. And then when we play the G chord, I was playing it like this, but we'll just play the simplified version. Just put your pinky down there on the third fret of the first string. Again, play the bottom four strings. And then for an A chord, I don't believe we've gone over an A chord before, but an A chord is normally played like this, where you're going to fret the fourth, third, and second strings at the second fret. You kind of put your fingers all pinched together there. Now, you can play that with two fingers. It sounds like this. Two fingers. Play the bottom 4 or 5 strings. You can actually play the fifth string with this one if you want, because it's an A string. Or another way you could do this is just to simply hold down with your finger, just across like this, and try not to press down on the first string so much, or just mute it so you can't hear it. Or you could use your middle finger. Try not to strum that first string is all. So your options here are using two fingers like this. If you wanted to get your pinky involved, I don't know, this might be kind of tough, but you could get your A string or A chord playing like this with your pinky in there, where normally you'd use your third finger, but you would use your pinky. Okay, or you can bar it, or two fingers. And the strum pattern is the strum pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. If you're using a pick, same thing. Down, 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 up, down, up. How many roads must a man walk down before they call him a man? And then the chorus simply uses the G chord. The answer to an A chord, my friend. And then you go to your D chord, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. And the rest of the verses and the choruses follow after that, played the same way. Strum pattern is the same throughout. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So that's Blowing in the Wind, key of D. I've got a chord chart here that I'll send to you. I'll show you a picture of it right here. It shows fingers you'll be using to form those chords, and the two different ways that you could possibly do that A chord. The diagram looks the same, it's just the fingers are different here that you would use. And of course the words, I'll just show you that, so you got your at least the first verse and the chorus there on the video if you wanted to start. But I'll need to get your address and I'll send you a copy of this. So if you have any questions, shoot me a text, give me a call. See ya.